When the strong young man of the rising sun heard the tolling of the great blackbird. One day in the year on the box-beat a bell began to ring. This meant the time must come for the one to go to the temple of the king. There is a middle of the circle is stand searching, seeing with just one thought of the trembling hand, the answer will be mine.